Hello, my name is John Marod from YourNetBuddy.com. How to create a lead magnet that converts. The following training will show you how to put together the perfect lead magnet that converts. The goal of this is to build your email list. To do this, you have to put together some kind of thing to give away to encourage people to give you their email address. Ideally, you want your potential customers to be chomping at the bit to get their hands on your free gift. This is a skill worth mastering if you want to build a massive targeted email list. First we'll cover the problem, then the promise, and finally the presentation. The problem. You need to identify your main target audience's pain point and how you're going to take that away for them. The presentation. You need to decide what you're going to give to them. A PDF ebook, a video course, a checklist or a toolkit, for example. The promise. This is where we'll put together the headline for your opt-in page or lead capture page. Understanding your customer is the most important aspect of building your lead magnet. The best way to do this is using something called trigger systems. An audience is a collection of individuals that share the same values, and the things that trigger them can be broken into two categories, positive and negative. You need to keep your audience in mind as you come up with ideas. For example, is your lead magnet for people that want to lose weight? People that want to build muscle? Train their dog? Or, as in my case, people that want to be successful affiliate marketers? Positive triggers could be made up of the following: getting more leads, making more sales, spending more time with family and friends, doing more travelling, seeing the world, more traffic to your offers, quitting your day job, less stress in your life, or learning how to be an affiliate marketer. Negative triggers. Negative triggers could be made up of these: giving up or admitting failure, taking risks unnecessarily, more stress because of uncertainties, inconsistencies in your workflow, healthier lifestyle away from the desk, feeling lost and overwhelmed, spending money on advertising. Title for the lead magnet. Now, to create the title for our lead magnet, we just need to select our best ideal triggers for our actual market. So here's a template. So we're going to need a call out, then we're going to need a lead magnet trigger, and then the negative trigger. So the call out is whoever you're trying to attract. It could be stay-at-home dads, entrepreneur mums. Today, I'm going to target beginners. So, for beginners, the ultimate guide to now we need a lead magnet trigger. The lead magnet trigger. Chosen from our list of positive triggers, today I'll choose affiliate marketers. So now we have, for beginners, the ultimate guide to affiliate marketing without now we need a negative trigger. So now we choose it from our negative list. And I think from this list here, let's go for people don't like spending money on advertising. So for beginners, the ultimate guide to affiliate marketing without spending a penny on Facebook ads. So let's start to tidy it up. Beginner's ultimate guide to affiliate marketing without spending a penny on Facebook ads. There we are. How does that sound? Beginner's ultimate guide to affiliate marketing without spending a penny on Facebook ads. So what form should your lead magnet take? It could be a checklist. It could be a cheat sheet. It could be a template. It could be a swipe file, maybe of blog posts that people could rewrite in their own words, or it could be copies of emails that people could send on their list, because people always struggle to put emails together. So if they could use yours as a template and reword it and put it into their own words, that'd be very useful. Or it could just be a guide. It could be a PDF, preferably less than 10 pages. Nobody wants to read a full-length book when they're just starting to get to know you. Or it could be a toolkit with all different tools in there that would be helpful if they're, for example, building a website to know what plugins to use. Or it could be a video, preferably only about 15 minutes in length. Or if it's more in-depth, you could break it up into 3 times 15-minute videos. For the sake of speed, below this video, you'll find a link to one that I prepared earlier. It looks like this. Click on it to see an example of how to deliver massive value for free. It will take you to a page that looks like this. Pop your name and email address in, and you'll see how I deliver the product and deliver massive value that you'll be blown away by. Thank you for watching. If you found any value in this video, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel so that we can stay in touch and you'll know when I upload more tips and reviews. All the best. My name's John Morod from YourNetBuddy.com.